2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Overview. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia marks the triumphant return of one of the most iconic nameplates in automotive history. Originally produced from the 1950s through the 1970s, the Karmann Ghia blended the mechanical simplicity of the Beetle with the elegance of Italian-inspired design. Now, over 4 decades later, Volkswagen revives this classic coupe with a thoroughly modern interpretation that blends nostalgic design cues with state-of-the-art electric performance and contemporary luxury. As the automotive world continues its shift toward electrification, the new Karmann Ghia positions itself as a stylish, emotional alternative in the EV segment, offering both heritage and innovation in one captivating package. Exterior. The 2026 Karmann Ghia pays homage to its predecessor's signature look while embracing a futuristic aesthetic. The sleek, rounded silhouette remains, echoing the flowing lines of the original, but the proportions are slightly larger to accommodate modern safety standards and battery architecture. Signature design elements such as the curvaceous front fenders, tapered rear, and minimal overhangs are all retained, yet sharpened with LED lighting, flush door handles, and aerodynamic enhancements. A low-slung roofline and coupe profile give the car a sporty stance, while a retractable rear spoiler adds both visual flair and functional downforce at higher speeds. Multiple paint finishes, including retro hues like sea blue and pastel green, provide nostalgic appeal with a modern twist. Performance. Underneath its stylish shell, the 2026 Karmann Ghia rides on Volkswagen's MEB Plus platform, a next-generation version of its modular electric architecture. The car comes in 2 main powertrain options: a single-motor rear-wheel drive model producing around 250 horsepower, and a dual-motor all-wheel drive variant pushing closer to 380 horsepower. Acceleration is brisk, with the AWD version sprinting from 0 to 60 mph in under 5 seconds. A low center of gravity, precise steering, and sport-tuned suspension provide a dynamic driving experience without compromising comfort. Regenerative. Braking and selectable drive modes enhance the driving engagement, while the quiet, responsive electric motors make every drive feel refined and effortless. Estimated range stands at approximately 320 miles for the RWD model and 290 miles for the AWD version, thanks to a high-density 82 kWh battery pack and improved efficiency systems. Interior. Inside, the Karmann Ghia blends minimalist design with premium materials and cutting-edge tech. The cabin is a seamless mix of retro-inspired elements and modern luxury, featuring a sweeping dashboard with metal trim accents, soft touch surfaces, and vegan leather upholstery. The centerpiece is a curved digital display that combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system, offering crisp graphics and intuitive controls. A heads-up display and advanced voice control system add to the high-tech appeal. The 2+2 seating layout provides ample space for front occupants, with the rear best suited for short trips or extra storage. Additional features include ambient lighting, a panoramic glass roof, wireless charging, and a premium Harman Kardon audio system. Every detail inside is designed to reflect both the heritage of the original Karmann Ghia and the expectations of a modern EV buyer. Price. Volkswagen positions the 2026 Karmann Ghia as a premium offering within its electric lineup. Pricing starts at approximately $48,000 for the base RWD model, while the AWD variant climbs to around $58,000. Optional performance and luxury packages, including adaptive suspension, larger wheels, and interior upgrades, can push the price into the mid-$60,000 range. While not inexpensive, the Karmann Ghia offers a distinctive blend of design, performance, and nostalgia that sets it apart from more utilitarian electric competitors. Overall, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is more than just a revival. It's a statement. By combining the emotional appeal of a classic coupe with the advanced engineering of a modern EV, Volkswagen has created a compelling vehicle that stands out in a crowded market. With its striking design, lively performance, and refined interior, the new Karmann Ghia is poised to attract both longtime fans of the brand and new buyers looking for something unique in the electric era.